If you're seeing people around you setting up their Airbnbs to make money, and you're thinking that this business model is getting saturated, then I'm revealing the truth about that in this video. Last year, Airbnb CEO Brian Chesky told CNBC in an interview that in order to meet the travel demand, that they're working hard to get more hosts on the platform. He further added that Airbnb would need millions of new hosts to meet demand as travel picks up. That's right. Since the restrictions were lifted in 2020, the travel industry has had a new leash of life. Airbnb posted the strongest growth in gross nights booked in non-urban areas in the first 3 months of 2022. And even before this, Airbnb has been growing at a phenomenal rate. In 2016, Airbnb had 52 million bookings for the whole year. 4 years later, in 2020, when the travel industry was hit hardest by the pandemic, Airbnb had 193 million bookings. That's almost 4 times more than what it was 4 years ago. And last year, it had 300 million bookings. That's over 155% more than the previous year. In 2019, Airbnb hosts made $1.34 billion, and in 2021, Airbnb hosts in the United States earned over $1.8 billion in total. That's a 34% growth rate in 2 years, where we saw the biggest pandemic in the last 100 years. This is a big shift that we're witnessing, and right now is the best time to cash in on it. So there's more than enough space to make money for everyone here. This is one of the biggest, if not the biggest disruptions we have seen in the travel industry for a long time.